Let's fix this, shall we? Alrighty, we got a Sennheiser EW300 IEM G2 version, and let me tell you, bus 4 electric ears, the white one, the guy that uses this is brutal. I mean, look, yeah, it's wrecked. So we're going to take it apart and put this repaired antenna, because I didn't have any brand new ones. The place I normally get them from, they were sold out, but I've replaced a couple of these on a couple of our different receivers and fixed this one up so that at least it can get me by until they're back in stock. So let's get to it. I'm going to use my general tools. I'll put a link below to these. They've saved my bacon a few times. They're quite good. Got a number of sizes. I think it's, nope, it's not that one. It's going to be a little smaller. There you go. That's what it looks like on the inside, and this goes in there, of course. Got quite a few bits and some Allen socket things. It's kind of nice. Let's get this guy open. I don't know if I doubt that I've opened this one before. Satisfying little click, let me tell you. It's rather simple. It's not a very difficult job. Get this guy open. You'll see. I've done a video on this once before, but thought I would do an updated one. I don't have a belt clip on this one. The user lost it, I guess. Oh, that's right. Got to take this out. There's a pin here that holds this hinge, and I'll just use this to pull that baby out. And that all comes apart. There's the antenna. I don't think I need to. Oh, I do, huh? Yeah, I gotta take this out. Nope, maybe not. Yeah, that was a nice firm click, so yeah, I don't think I did. So all I gotta do is desolder that after I pull this off. Gotta get this guy out of here. Patience, right? And then I think the card style, yeah. And that comes pretty much right out. We'll set this aside. Let me go get my soldering iron. I'm gonna put that. Do I try to repair the old one like I did a couple of the others so I could reuse it? I don't know. I'm not sure. I find that sometimes if I add a little bit of solder, it helps in the desoldering process. Some of you may be just screaming at me. That's okay. There you go. Fell right out. Yeah, do I fix that? I don't know. Simple pimple though. It just goes in this way. Heat that baby up. There you go. Now it's just a matter of reassembling. There you go. That's better, right? Okay. Let's get this thing out of here. We'll bring this back. Carefully slide that back in. Looks like it. Oh, that was satisfying. Lock that baby down. Now here's the tricky part. Getting this to go back into that slot without causing major problems. There you go. Just the back. There you go. And then it's this part right here that can get kind of fiddly. And there you go. There you go. Let's get these screws back in. There you go. Do a snug snug. Do a snug snug. There you go. Put this guy back in. Should go in there nice and firm. We squeeze the ears. There you go. Let's put batteries in. Just going to make sure things work. Turn it on. It says Zach. There's no RF. There's no audio. It's because I don't have the transmitter transmitting. I wonder, I've got a bunch of transmitters. I wonder if I can find the frequency this thing is on. Well, let's look at that.
Welcome. Channel mode.
462? Probably not. This is probably closer to 500. Yeah, I don't think I can... Whoa. 437, 800. That's a lot of noise. It's probably this camera. All right.
5.
Yeah, it won't go to the 500.
4, 4, 4, 4. 0, 0, 0.
Let's see. Ooh, I got a little bit of noise there. Did you see that? So at least I could pick up 444. I don't know that that's it. Checking 444. Oh, well, as soon as I move the antenna away. Oh. Interesting. Well, it's receiving something. Evidently, this is the frequency it receives on. What do I do with this? Do I attempt to... Yeah, I think I got all messed up, huh? Do I attempt to do a repair? Should I even bother? Let me figure this out. I'll be right back. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. The only thing I can think of is putting shrink tubing over all of that. That's really small. Hang on, I'll get some. Still working it. All right, there's just a case of the stuff. I'm gonna find the smallest one I have, which is that one. And I bet you if I'm really careful, look at that. Look at that. I can shrink tube that on, and then I can get another shrink tube. And all right, let me get a heat gun. Hang on. This will probably have to do. I Just got to get that tip. There you go. All right. Emergency use only. Alrighty, I'll just have to reinstall this back over at the customer's place. And I just wanted to let you know none of this was sponsored by General or Sennheiser or any of that. I'm just working on some hardware for a client of mine, and I thought I'd take you along with me. This General tool, though, has saved my bacon a lot. It's not too expensive, and it's got just about every tool that I need for what I'm doing in this kind of work. And of course, if you're interested, because if you have a Sennheiser, you may be interested in where to get this. I'll find a link and I'll put it below. That's not an affiliate link or anything. It's just the guys that I go to pick up this stuff. And this looks like it should at least last, maybe 3 or 4 more gigs. Need new tape. All right, that's all I got. We'll see you on the next one.